Hello, beautiful souls. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome or welcome back to this channel. If this message is finding you, whenever it is finding you, it is for you. Know that, okay? Because I'm just getting this intuition. I was initially getting a very restless energy, बहुत restless energy कि ये message बस करना है करना है करना है. Like the energy was so uh, anxious, so restless कि I don't know what is going to be coming in the message, okay? क्योंकि मैं बस बैठ गई, okay? Like I was doing something else and I just got this sudden energy that you are supposed to do this message, okay? So I don't know कि किसके spirit guides है, किसके ancestors है, किसका communication हो रहा है यहाँ पे मेरे through, but yeah, it's a very restless, anxious energy. Like मुझे चीज़ें मिल नहीं रही थी and it was very chaos, okay? Like a lot of chaotic situation. सो मे बी दिस इज योर एनर्जी दैट आई एम सेंसिंग कि कोई तो यहाँ पे बहुत रेस्टलेस है फॉर सम सॉर्ट ऑफ गाइडेंस, सम सॉर्ट ऑफ मैसेज दैट इज गोइंग टू बी कमिंग थ्रू, ओके? इट्स टाइमलेस. सो वेन एवर यू सी दिस, वेन एवर यू कम अक्रॉस दिस, इट इज़ फॉर यू बिकॉज द मैसेजेस वेन एवर आई डू एनर्जी रीडिंग, ये बहुत गाइडेड होता है, ठीक है? पिकअप आइल जो होती है उससे भी ज़्यादा गाइडेड जो होती है वो मेरी एनर्जी रीडिंग्स होती है. सो आई टेक रियली टाइम इफ इट इज़ कमिंग, if the message is coming, then and only then I give it out, okay? नहीं तो मैं rush नहीं करती हूँ energy readings में. Pickup aisle is, sometimes pickup aisle is also guided energetically, but sometimes it is general as well, okay? So this one particular reading is guided energetically. ये किसी एक person के लिए भी हो सकती है, ये बहुत सारे लोगों के लिए हो सकती है. I don't know किसके लिए है, but whenever you find it, if it is helping you out in some or the other way, in any time zone, in any country, in whatever region you are, if it is helping you in some or the other way, just know that this reading is for you, okay? Just know that your spirit guides chose me, my soul, to communicate this message to you, okay? I don't even know which deck, which um, this I'm supposed to be doing. That's why मैं सारी decks लेके बैठ गई क्योंकि इतनी restless energy. Oh my god, very restless, very anxious energy. Let's just see the first card which comes out. What is the message you want to communicate? What is the message that needs to be given? Okay, I know what the reading is going to be about. Okay, so whoever is watching it, maybe we are from soul family, okay? We are connected, our lives are connected, whoever is watching it. I'm going to be adding subtitles, okay? Because I just feel so that this message is just not limited to a particular language audience. It is just for a larger audience. I don't know why I'm getting this, but yeah, you are an healer. You are an healer. This is the message that is coming in, and the reading is going to be around this. Someone over here, their soul is so pure, their soul is so kind, their soul is, you know who you are, okay? You know that you have the healing abilities. That is not the issue. आपको पता है कि आप healing abilities आपके पास है, आपके टच में हीलिंग एबिलिटीज़ है, आपके स्पीच में हीलिंग एबिलिटीज़ है. पीपल आर जस्ट कंफर्टेबल विथ यू, सोल्स आर कंफर्टेबल विथ यू, सोल finds their peace when they're talking to you. So yeah, this reading is going to be around those souls who are so powerful that they have healing abilities. Maybe कुछ लोग आप में से डॉक्टर्स हो सकते हो, कुछ लोग आप में से थेरेपिस्ट हो सकते हो, कुछ लोग आप में से इवन टैरो रीडर्स भी हो सकते हो. यू आर इन द प्रोफेशन जो सेल्फलेस है, ठीक है? यू आर इन द प्रोफेशन दैट इन्वॉल्व्स हीलिंग, ओके? दैट इज फॉर श्योर. कुछ लोगों के लिए, कुछ लोगों को अभी तक रियलाइज ही नहीं हुआ दैट दे हैव दिस हीलिंग एबिलिटी, ओके? Yeah, they have this healing ability in their soul. So the reading, the card we have is of the healer. So of course the message is going to be revolving around them. Let's just see more. What is coming? What is it that the message is? Okay, a very beautiful energy. Your aura is very beautiful, but for some or the other reason I feel कि आप इस वक्त ऐसे situation के through हो that I don't know why am I saying this, but even this message is going to be finding the people who don't even believe in tarot, who don't even believe in energies, who don't even believe that they believe in higher power. Of course you believe in higher power, but you don't really believe that okay ये सारी चीज़ें भी होती है, tarot जैसी भी कोई चीज़ होती है, energy readings भी कुछ होता है, communication through spirit guides भी कुछ होता है, because you are way too practical, but your soul is that of the healer. I'm sensing that this reading is also going to be reaching those people, okay? Because trust me, you have subscribed to this channel, not subscribed to this channel, you have watched me before, not watched me before, it does not really matter, okay? It does not matter, because there are people who have subscribed but they don't really get the notification of the message, which means that it is not for them, okay? But कुछ ऐसे लोग messages देख जाते हैं जो subscribe भी नहीं है. So it's all beyond this superficial thing of subscribing, liking, interacting, commenting and all of that stuff, okay? It's beyond that. It's energy and it is powerful, okay? So I'm just sensing that whenever it is finding you, you don't even realize, some of you don't even realize that you are a powerful soul. Exactly, we have the card of honesty and you are not honest with yourself, okay? बहुत बार ऐसा होता है that your soul has gotten some sort of calling, you get some sort of calling, like आपको intuition से आता है that this is not who I am, this is not the thing I'm supposed to do, but you are still ignoring your intuition. Maybe some of you are ignoring your intuition because we have the card of honesty and it says that you are not honest with yourself. Okay, you need to be honest with yourself. Your purpose is way too different and you're stuck in doing something that is completely different. Okay, completely different. I'm sensing that it is for some people, not for all people, but yeah, कुछ लोगों की ऐसी energy है जो healers हैं. You have that healing abilities, you have that soothing powerful aura, you have that pure aura, pure energy, white goldenish aura. You have that in you, in your soul. Your soul has made that contract, made that promise to the higher power that when you will be coming on this earth and you will be getting this body, you will be doing that work. But some sort of certain situations in your life, you just got stuck with those situations. ठीक है, आप stuck हो गए उन situations से and you just sort of forgot your soul purpose. You just sort of forgot what your soul is meant to be doing in this particular body. Okay, and it happens, trust me, because it is happening to me as well. I was doing altogether different things. I was chasing money, I was chasing this, I was doing job, I was working, and it was like, I'm not going to be discussing my personal life over here because that is not the purpose of this video. But trust me, I want to help you understand this thing because someone's spirit guides really want someone to just wake up now. वेक अप. ओके, लाइक दे आर रियली रेस्टलेस, दे आर एंशियस. अभी उनका ऐसा है कि अभी हो गया है. ठीक है, मैं पहले पिकअप फाइल करने वाली थी ऑल टुगेदर डिफरेंट टॉपिक पे एंड दिस रीडिंग इज जस्ट समथिंग डिफरेंट दैट इज कमिंग इन. बट आई डू रिस्पेक्ट द एनर्जीज एंड इफ दे आर मेकिंग मी से दिस देन इट्स ट्रू. ओके, इवन इफ यू डोंट बिलीव इन इट एट द मोमेंट, ट्रस्ट मी, आई वाज लाइक यू. आई यूज्ड टू ऑल्सो बी वेरी प्रैक्टिकल, बट प्रैक्टिकलिटी इज लिमिटेड. ओके, व्हेन प्रैक्टिकलिटी गोज लाइक जब आप आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स थिंक करना शुरू करते हो, व्हेन यू स्टार्ट कनेक्टिंग विद द एनर्जीज, व्हेन यू स्टार्ट cleansing yourself, cleansing your soul, it has a lot of dirt because we are living in the society wherein not all the people are good, right? So you catch up on those energies, and when you start cleansing them, you realize that, oh shit, practicality is just this much and everything is this much. Okay, like the world, the universe, everything which we can't really see with our bare eyes, that is the reality. Okay, what we can touch, what we can feel, it's not real because we are even going to be leaving this body and we can touch this body, we can feel this body, but it's not even real. Okay, I hope I'm making some sense because I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, it's just coming out. So I'm not going to be stopping the messages because it's meant for someone who is way too limited. You have become very rigid. You just don't want to believe in these things because you feel like these things are stupid, these things are dumb, these things are for foolish. No, it's not like that. Okay, it's not. There are even certain things which have been accepted by science as well now. Okay, it has been proven by science as well now. Just because it took time for science to understand these things, and now that science is saying that okay, these things do exist, there is a situation like multiverse going on, now we are going to be saying that yeah, now it's true because it is scientifically proven. But what was the situation when people so many thousands of years back, so many hundreds of years back, were saying that okay, situation like multiverse does exist, situation like energy, spirit guides do exist? The problem is that we are waiting for some sort of stamp. Okay, like some sort of scientific stamp. हम wait कर रहे हैं that this will just be proven, then and only then we will be believing it. If it's not proven, we won't believe in it. That is how limited our mind works. Okay, but when it comes to spirituality, if you are into spirituality, you will understand that spirituality is limitless. Okay, the first thing spirituality makes you is a limitless being. It makes you non-judgmental. It makes you accepting of a lot of energies, a lot of because that is how it should be. If you are rigid and if you're saying that you're spiritual, it won't just sit well because spirituality is limitless. It should not be rigid at all, and that is how our souls connect. That is how the energies connect. Okay, some things just can't be explained. That is what I was trying to say. Okay, some things just don't have a reasonable explanation. I know I'm wasting your time, but these messages are just flowing. किसी के तो spirit guides यहाँ पे है जो उनको literally बोलना चाहते हैं that just now stop fighting your soul purpose, stop fighting your intuitions, just stop getting stuck in that rigid pattern, because you're not honest with yourself. Your soul purpose has been calling you since very long period of time. You have been getting these intuitions, people have been telling you indirectly, directly, you have been getting these messages, but you're just not following your path. You're just not following your path, the path that is ultimately related to some sort of healing. Okay, ultimately related to some sort of healing. It's a very harsh message that is coming in that I could definitely sense now. बहुत रेस्टलेस एनर्जी है. द रेस्टलेस एनर्जी इज ऑफ योर स्पिरिट गाइड्स बिकॉज दे आर जस्ट डन नाउ. दे आर जस्ट डन ट्राइंग टू टेल यू कि अभी आ जाओ. एंड दिस हैपेंस. ओके, दिस हैपेंस. आई वाज डूइंग ऑल टुगेदर डिफरेंट थिंग्स इन माय लाइफ. आई वाज I don't want to be saying a lot, but yeah, these things come with a calling, these things come with the timing, and when these things come, हम लोगों को नहीं बता पाते क्योंकि सी द थिंग इज कि आपका माइंड जितना रिजिड है, आपका माइंड जितना क्लोज्ड है, आप चीज़ों को बहुत डाउटफुली देखोगे. ओके, एंड आई एम नॉट सेइंग इट्स अ गुड थिंग. अलर्ट होना इज अ गुड थिंग, बट completely denying this sort of things is not really cool. Okay, like don't deny energies, don't deny existence of spirit guides, don't deny existence of higher power. If you're doing that, if you're doubting the existence, then it's a bit of a problem. Okay, it's a bit of a problem and it's sad as well. But yeah, I do get people who have told me that this is not this does not exist, okay? And trust me, I do have people in my own family who have, like believed, who have this belief, because of course, see, जब तक आपको खुद को experience नहीं आता कुछ चीज़ों का, जब तक आपको the energies don't really connect with you, you don't really understand what is happening and what reality is, you keep on denying it because denial is comfortable, denial gives you comfort, but no, somebody needs a wake up call. This is sort of a wake up call from someone's spirit guides coming in. You have been denying, but your soul has been chosen one for healing. Yeah. I don't know what I've said in the 15 minutes of the video. If I've just blabbered, just know that the channel gets open and the messages just download. So don't judge, please. Okay. Okay, so we have assessed the situation in reverse, which you are not doing. You are not being honest with yourself. You're not actually giving any sort of recognition to your spirit guides, to your spirit team. You're just not doing it. क्योंकि सी द वीडियो के स्टार्टिंग में मेरी एनर्जी बहुत रेस्टलेस थी, एंशियस थी, कि मैं बस मतलब मेरा ऐसा हो गया कि मैं सारे डेक्स लेके बैठ गई, सारी चीज़ें, बिकॉज आई डोंट यूजुअली डू दिस. आई यूजुअली नो विच डेक आई एम सपोज टू बी डूइंग, ओके, बिकॉज आई गेट द इंट्यूशन दैट विच डेक शुड आई डू, which deck should I use. But right now it was like chaos, okay? I was like just forced that now just sit, live your work and just sit and give this message. And now I'm feeling tired, okay? Like, yeah, it's like somebody's done telling you, giving you a wake up call. If you're feeling that your financial flow is not that good, you're working hard, आप मेहनत कर रहे हो, but somewhat the finances are not good. I don't know, this is the message I'm getting for some people. Maybe you are in a wrong profession, yeah, because healing is your main theme, you guys. And trust me, ये मैसेज जो है वो सब नहीं देखने वाले, ठीक है? नहीं, ये नहीं होता. इट इज़ वेरी इंट्यूटिव, इट इज़ वेरी गाइडेड, सो इट विल बी फाइंडिंग यू व्हेन द टाइम इज़ राइट फॉर यू, at the right time, at the given time, when the message is going to be reaching you in the future as well, because it is timeless. It will find you only. If it is meant for you, it will find you only. You will be getting the calling, you will be getting the intuition that I should be tapping this video and I should be just watching it. I should not leave it midway, okay? That is also one thing. People leave it midway if it's not resonating with them. But yeah, if you have just stayed for 17 minutes whole, oh shit, I have spoken for 17 minutes, yeah, then it's for you, okay? Just know this. You need to understand, you need to start practicing gratitude, and you need to show some sort of love towards the universe, ठीक है? अगर आप बोल रहे हो कि negative energy बार बार मेरे पास क्यों आ रही है, why is it happening, why is it happening, I'm tripping over words, okay? Yeah, why is it happening, why am I getting negative energies back constantly? What is it that I'm doing wrong? You're not giving love to the universe, you're not showing your gratitude to the universe, you're not showing gratitude to your ancestors, to your spirit guides, to your spirit team, the team that exists. अभी प्रॉब्लम यही है कि आप उसको डिनाई कर रहे हो. यू डोंट रियली बिलीव इन दैट, एंड दैट इज व्हाट इज क्रिएटिंग द प्रॉब्लम. बिकॉज सी, यू हैव अ सेंसिटिव सोल, ओके? जनरली द people who have the healing sort of soul, their soul is sensitive, okay? Their aura is also sort of like, their aura is powerful, intimidating, of course, it is strong, of course. जितना हमारा सोल सेंसिटिव होता है एनर्जीज के लिए, उतना ही प्रोटेक्शन हमारे आसपास बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है, वो भी एक चीज़ है. बट what comes is that जितना जल्दी आप गुड एनर्जीज को अट्रैक्ट करते हो, उतना ही जल्दी आप बैड एनर्जीज को भी अट्रैक्ट करते हो, बिकॉज ऑल द एनर्जीज जस्ट वांट टू फीड अपॉन योर एनर्जी, ओके? जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग. सो यू रियली नीड टू हैव अ स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रोटेक्शन. इफ यू आर नॉट डूइंग स्पिरिचुअल प्रैक्टिसेस, if you are not connected to divine, if you are not connected to higher power, just begin it, okay? Just start it. You need to do that because your soul is sensitive. If you feel like, why constantly am I attracting negative aura, negative energies, negative people, bad people, toxic people, it's because your soul is sensitive and you don't really carry any sort of protection, because आप ना spirit guides को gratitude दे रहे हो, तो आपको team कैसे बचाएगी, okay? How will the team support you if you don't believe in that team, okay? And every soul has their team, okay? This is true. Then we have the card of relax, okay? Yeah, you don't relax. That is the energy I said even in the beginning of the video. बहुत restless energy है, constantly trying to prove something, constantly trying to do something, over productivity, over stimulation, over exhaustion. You just don't relax, you don't know how to relax. But yeah, you need to do. आपकी energies leak हो रही है. Whoever is watching it, just understand your energies are leaking, okay? Like जब एक टैप खराब हो जाता है तो हम उसको फिक्स करते हैं, ठीक है? अगर उसको फिक्स नहीं किया तो सारा पानी निकल जाता है, राइट? बट you are not fixing your energies, you are associating with a lot of people. आप बहुत ज़्यादा over associate कर रहे हो, over giving की energy है यहाँ पे किसी की तो, and your energies just leak, they just leak, okay? So just understand this thing. You need to preserve your energies, you need to preserve your energies, choose right people, okay? And even if sometimes it feels like you are isolated, it's fine, okay? Isolation is bliss. Understand this thing. If you feel like आपकी energies leak हो रही है, because the problem over here is कि मैं जिनके साथ भी communicate कर रही हूँ, जिन तक भी message पहुँच रहा है, some of you are not even in touch with your intuitions, you guys, ठीक है? आप intuitions के साथ भी touch में नहीं हो, because you just don't believe, you negate all of these things, okay? So it's like that your protection is getting some sort of weak, and that's why this message was so urgent, that work upon your energies and protect your energies, okay? Like आप अपनी energies को, you are leaking your energies. Yeah, see, we have the card of inspiration. Oh my god, every message is interconnected. Every message is interconnected. You have been getting the calling to do something related to healing. You have been getting the calling ki, you know, this is not what you're supposed to do with your life purpose, but you are just ignoring it. You have been ignoring your ideas, you have been ignoring your intuition, you have been ignoring every single thing that is calling you to your life purpose, to your soul purpose. I've not even yet started tarot. I've not even picked up tarot yet. We are just, you know, relying on oracle messages, but all of them are interconnected and the message is very powerful. You need to prioritize your own energies, you guys. We have the card of prioritization. You need to prioritize your own energies. You are, okay, let me just tell you, it's already 22 minutes. I don't know how long this video is going to be. I don't even know that. I don't usually film a energy message that goes this long, so this is the first time. You are not understanding your own power. You are not understanding who you are. Okay, you are just associating with the people in the name of socializing. You're making friends, you're doing this, you're engaging with the crowd and all of that, and at the end of it you just feel overstimulated, over exhausted because your energies are leaking. Okay, the people are feeding upon your energies and you have sort of just become a magnet to attract wrong energies. You are not understanding your soul purpose, you're not understanding your life purpose, you're just ignoring all of this, you're just ignoring everything, you are denying everything, you're negating everything. Oh my god, it's very, and that's why your protection is some sort of getting weak. Let's just start with the tarot now, but I'm feeling one more card from this deck. I don't know why. Oh yeah, we have the card of family. You have a soul family, just trust it. You have a soul family, the spirit team, the guides who are working for you. You have people who are working for you, you have energies who are working for you, but all this time you have been just denying those energies, denying accepting those energies. Now I'll tell you something, it does not matter कि आपका age क्या है, ठीक है? It does not really matter आपका age क्या है, आप किस age group में हो, what age you belong to, but yeah, you have been denying a lot of things and that denying is not really helping. That denying is causing a lot of problems. That's why this message, like, it's a very mixed energy. Like, when I started with this reading, it was very restless, it was very chaotic, it was like I have to give this message out, and when I started giving the message out, it just sort of became very tired, like, yeah, just do whatever you want. This is the energy now I am sensing. So this is sort of a wake up call for someone कि आपको बहुत time से calling आ रही है. Yeah, we have the card of moon. Oh my god, oh my god, I mean, we have the card of ace of cups and moon. Guys, आपकी energy flow हो रही है. Just you could just see the water is just overflowing over here. You have a heart of gold. Okay, you are a pure soul, you're a kind hearted soul. You know, like animals, even birds, I'm sensing birds also, I'm sensing plants also. You have that healing ability. Okay, the minute you touch, the minute you whisper, the souls just find protection in you. They just feel like you are safe. Okay, like, yeah, that is the energy, and your energy just leaks. Currently your energy is leaking. Okay, you're giving your energy to some wrong people and they're feeding upon your energy, and if you're just questioning why am I feeling over exhausted, why am I feeling not so motivated to do anything, what is wrong, I'm just, you know, doing my work, I'm just doing my job, I'm just getting educated, I'm just, you know, doing usual stuff, but I'm still getting over exhausted, and it's not coming from some physical work. No, it's coming from over leaking of energies. Just understand this thing. You need to understand your soul purpose. You need to now align yourself with the soul purpose, and the moon card is confirmed that you live in confused state of mind. Okay, right now whoever is watching it, your energy is that you are getting called to do something else, but you are doing something else. You're not able to understand what is happening, what is wrong. Yeah, you need to get these energies fixed. Fixed is the word. Fixed is the word, because, you know, I'm just, it's not even you have to work upon it. No, it's like an ultimatum coming in from your spirit team. If you listen to it, it's good. If you don't listen to it, it's up to you. I don't know, but this is like a final message for people coming in. Like, बहुत time से आपको बहुत सारे advices मिल रही है, बहुत सारे indications मिल रही है that, you know, you are doing something wrong, you're doing something, you know, you just need to protect yourself, you need to take care of yourself, you need to guard your energies. You're just not listening to it, you're negating your intuitions because you're just not in touch with them anymore. Okay, you're just not in touch with them anymore, and this energy does not need any work now. It needs to be fixed. It needs to be fixed. This is what your spirit guides are trying to tell you, that it's like sort of ultimatum. Now just fix it. Fix it, okay? We have the card of Empress. You deserve love, but you have been giving it to wrong people. Just understand this thing. If you feel like, you know, the people, I've always been overgiver. I don't mind giving. I find joy in giving. If these are your statements or if these are your thoughts, it's bullshit. Okay, because you are giving it to wrong people. They are immature people, they are immature souls, they are, you know, like, it's all so, if I may use the word bullshit. It's really bullshit. You are, see, aap kitna bhi de do, there are some people who are not going to be happy with you. No matter how much you give them, they are always going to be nagging, they are always going to be complaining, they are always going to be finding flaws, because you are giving your energy to wrong people. Okay, you have the energy of a giver, you have the energy of a lover, you have the, because this is a Venus energy, it's a very strong Venus energy. You may have Venus placement, strong Venus placement in your chart. Also, you may be ruled by Venus in some or the other way, and even if not, your soul is such a beautiful lover. Your soul is such a beautiful lover, and your soul deserves an equivalent beautiful lover. Okay, equivalent beautiful lover. You need to draw the boundaries. Whoever's watching it, you need to draw the boundaries. We have this two cards. You need to draw the boundaries, because I'm getting the energy that you need to be strict when it comes to boundaries. You're not being strict. You're being immature. You're being, you're just fine with with your energy leaking. You're fine with everything because you're dealing with the energy of the moon. Just understand this thing. This is not how things work. What is happening with today's reading? We have Two of Cups. Okay, if some of you are singles, okay, if you're feeling, or even if you're in a connection, I don't know why it's neutral, it's for everyone. Even if you're in a connection, you feel like मुझे equally सारी चीजें क्यों नहीं मिल रही है, जबकि I'm giving, but the person is just not giving. Firstly, you're attracting wrong sort of people because you are not in alignment with your soul, because you're not in alignment with your purpose. You're negating a lot of things. Your protection is damaged. Okay, you're not listening to your spirit guides. You're not listening to, a lot of your team, your intuition. You're just negating it all. You have been denying it blindly. You are following the path that others are showing you. You're doing things that others are telling you to do. You are just, stuck in the limited vision of practicality. Oh my god, the messages are just flowing and I can't stop. You are just stuck in the limited vision of practicality. You don't really want to see the reality, because reality is scaring the shit out of you. You're not ready to accept the reality. You're not ready to accept the reality of your soul. You're not ready to accept the reality of your soul purpose. Okay, that's why you are attracting wrong energies. Okay, you are attracting wrong sort of people, and you're feeding, those people are feeding upon your energy. If you're just wondering why is my connection getting tampered again and again, just firstly question, are you in connection with the right person? Okay, because this is the message, I need to give it out there. Secondly, if you are single and if you're just constantly attracting the people who don't match your energies, then you need to just fix it. That is the word. You need to fix it, not even work upon it, because the working upon time has gone. You need to fix it, because this is like the ultimate this thing that, if it continues, you don't have right to crib then. As simple as that. Either you just fix all of this, you understand your life purpose, you understand your soul's purpose, you sit with that energy, you communicate with that energy, and just start cleansing, because there is a lot of negative energy, okay, and your protection is getting weaker. Your spirit team is getting time. I don't know why I say time, but yeah, I'm tripping over words. Your spirit team is getting really like, just fix it, like this. Like they are just done. They're done. Okay, they are saying that, bas ho gaya. You don't want to believe in us, fine by us. That is how it is happening, because then you won't even have the right to crib, because it will be the energy 33 minutes, and it's the same message. It's the same message. Everything is correlated, and everything is correlated to your denial. As I said it, it's 4 times 3, okay? 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. It's a Jupiter energy. So yeah, but whatever it is, you need to have this sort of understanding. Very stubborn energy. Your energy is very stubborn. You're not able to understand. See, the problem is, I'll tell you something. I'll be stopping with the tarot cards over here, because that is the energy. I'm sensing that the cards are over here. Whatever we need is over here. Just look at this energies. You are in this energy. You're not ready to step into this energy. Okay, you are not able to understand what your soul purpose is, because you're not ready to accept what your soul purpose is. You're not ready to align yourself with your soul purpose. You're not just ready to accept. Yeah, see, I'll sum it up for you. If because I know everyone is busy, right? Everyone has their work to do. I'll just sum it up for you, because this is a very strong message coming in. I was doing something else and I was like, just sit, okay? And that's how the message is coming in. I was supposed to be doing some other thing, and yeah, it's like you can't really force yourself when it comes to energies, and you have been doing exactly that. आप अपने आप को force कर रहे हो when it comes to energies. You are negating those energies. You are negating your soul calling. You are negating your intuitions. You are negating the calling that you have been getting. Okay, and trust me, I have done the same. But when it comes to आपकी rude awakening हो रही है, like there is a thing called as rude awakening कि जब आपके ऊपर suddenly पानी आ जाए, या फिर आपके ऊपर suddenly पानी डाल दिया जाए, when you are in deep sleep, you will just like, what the hell, why are you doing this to me? This will be your reaction. Like that is the rude awakening. Okay, rude awakening आपकी हो रही है. This is like a rude awakening call to you, that either you fix this energy or stop cribbing that why are you attracting wrong kinds of people in your life, why are you attracting toxic kinds of people in your life, why are you attracting toxic energies in your life. Because just understand this thing, your soul is sensitive, your soul is that of a healer, and as good energies are attracted, so are negative energies attracted. Because your protection is getting a bit weaker day by day, because you're not addressing, you're not showing gratitude, you're not paying them that sort of gratitude that they deserve. आप negate कर रहे हो, आप deny कर रहे हो, आप ignore कर रहे हो, because it just does not make sense. But just I'm tripping over my words. If something does not make sense to you, does not mean that it does not exist. It's true, okay? If it is not making sense to you, maybe your sense is limited. You need to expand your sense of sense, okay? Like you need to expand your sense of mind. You need to understand this thing that if it's not making sense to you, your mind is limited, okay? Because some things just exist no matter how much you deny, no matter how much you ignore, no matter what you do in this entire world, some things will continue to exist, okay? Everything, this is temporary, okay? Like my face is temporary, I'm temporary, everything is temporary, this thing is temporary, the house I'm living in is temporary, everything is temporary, because we are supposed to leave behind the temporary things. What is permanent is our soul purpose, okay? And if we don't align ourselves with the soul purpose, we are constantly going to be trapped in the energy jahan pe we will be constantly getting rebirths after rebirths, only to be aligned with our soul purpose in one life, okay? So understand it, whatever age group you are, if you are living and if you have that sort of energy jahan pe aapko बार-बार calling aa rahi hai, jahan pe aapse बार-बार kaha ja raha hai that this is not it, whatever you're doing, it's not it, yet you are ignoring, yet you are going in with it, you need to just fix this energy, just fix this energy. It is going to be tampering, or rather I would just say it is tampering with everything. You can't complain because it just fell off. Yeah, you can't complain, सारी चीज़ें आपसे गिर रही है because it's that heavy energy, it's the energy of restless, because we have Knight of Pentacles in reverse, okay? Even finances are getting disturbed, even your romantic connections, friendships are getting disturbed, everything is getting disturbed because you I just said that I will stop tarot. What the hell? What the hell? We have this in reverse. We have high priestess. Oh my god, your intuition is blocked, you guys. That's it. That's it. I'm closing this tarot now. No more tarot messages. No more. Okay? Your intuition is blocked. Your intuition is blocked and you are overgiver. You are associating with wrong people. Your energy is leaking. आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है that किसको कितनी energy देनी है, किसको अपनी life में entertain करना है, किसको अपनी life में रखना है, नहीं रखना है, निकाल देना है. You are just not able to understand. You are, some sort of, ये भी होता है that you have this thing in you. Some people have this thing in you. 40 minutes. Oh my god. I'm so sorry if I'm wasting your time. But yeah, this message is like that. I need to be giving it out. If you have the energy, some people do definitely have the personality trait wherein they want to be constantly accepted. Yeah, you want to be constantly accepted, you want to be constantly loved, validated by the people, and that makes you actually associate with everyone. Something about boundaries, okay? Like you don't know how to draw boundaries, you don't know how to say no to people. If you just say that, oh, I'm very kind hearted, मैं तो बहुत kind hearted हूँ, इसलिए मैं लोगों को मना नहीं कर पाता या कर पाती. No, that's bullshit. You are not being kind to yourself, and if you're not being kind to yourself, how are you supposed to be kind to others? Okay, that is like you have a problem with boundaries, you have a problem with acceptance. You want to be accepted, loved everywhere. There is something about people pleasing. Your energies are getting leaked because your intuition is blocked. Your intuition is blocked, okay? And just understand this thing. It's a wake-up call, you guys. It's a wake-up call. Whoever is watching it, if it's finding you, whenever it is finding you, it's a wake-up call for you. It is just a rude awakening coming your way. You need to fix your patterns now because it's a high time. A lot of leeway has been given to a lot of you, but you need to understand your soul alignment, and for that you need to really fix and work upon your patterns, because it's not like a soft awakening wherein each step पे आपको spirit guides guide कर रहे हैं. वैसा awakening नहीं है, ये rude awakening है wherein you're going to be put in the situations wherein you will be forced to address your patterns. You will be forced to address your patterns if you don't really like if you don't really align yourself with the spirit guides energy, if you don't really recognize the energy of the spirit guides, if you don't really accept the energies of the higher power, if you don't really recognize them, don't pay the gratitude, don't understand them, if you negate them, ignore them, if you're ignoring your intuition because you are rigid, stubborn, then you will be, this awakening will be forced upon you, okay? Like constant toxic people, constant toxic patterns, repeating patterns, to the extent that you will just be like, you will be forced to accept that, okay, there is a power beyond me, there is a power beyond my being, and that power I was ignoring for so long, now I will be surrendering to that power, because your soul is of that of a healer, and if you have the soul of a healer, your intuition cannot be blocked, okay? So understand this thing. I really want to be stopping the reading over here because it's already 42 minutes and I don't really want to be giving a lot, okay, because the messages are just now stopped, okay? But yeah, it is, if it makes sense, if it is, even if you're understanding something of it for 20% also, just understand, work upon it, fix it. That's it, the fix it energy, because rude awakening ki energy mein aap ja chuke ho, your spirit guides are into the energy, and it is impacting everything, yaar. It is impacting your connections, it is impacting your finance, it is impacting your health. Why negate something? You are completely on a wrong path. Whoever is watching this, I'm so sorry, but it is going to be like a wake up call, so it's rude, it's going to be harsh, because you're not understanding the soft language, your energies are leaking, your intuition is blocked, and you are so stubborn to even address it. You're even very stubborn to address it. Just get over these energies, just fix these energies, because the theme of this reading was and is that your soul is that of healer. Your soul is that of the healer. So please understand this one thing, that this message is coming in for you, and if it is resonating with you in any way, just receive it with positivity. Be honest with yourself. and fix this. Soul is meant for this. I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, it's something for bigger purpose. It is something for a greater purpose, and you just need to come out of it and you just need to address it. Okay, so that's it for the reading. I'm going to be stopping because I'm getting a lot of confused messages now. So yeah, I'll be stopping over here. I hope that you found some help, you found some guidance, and this video really finds the people, finds the souls who are meant for it. Okay, like I'm sending a lots of love and healing your way. Receive it with positivity, receive it with open mind, receive it with non-judgmental mind. Okay, because these are the energies we are exchanging. And yeah, that's it. I'll be seeing you all next time. Until then, take care, you guys. Bye bye.